That has saved my butt multiple times. Welcome back to School Bootcamp for Spreadsheets, and today we're covering Google Sheets for beginners. When you open Google Sheets, you're going to see this table section on the right-hand side that has suggestions on templatized tables for you to use. This is Google Sheets for beginners, so I highly recommend that you take a look at what they have in there to give you some ideas on what you can use Google Sheets for. Then at the very top, you're going to notice this little icon that is going to say next to it, Save to Drive. That's one of the really cool features of Google Sheets that beginners might not know. Whenever you make any edits to a Google Sheet, it saves. There's no save button. You don't need to tell it to save. It creates versions of that file. So let's say you want to see something that was in there and you delete it accidentally and you only notice way later. You'll have access to every single change that was done to a Google Sheets document through the version history. To access that, you can just click on the history button at the top right hand side, and then you will navigate through and see the differences between the versions. That has saved my butt multiple times. You are going to see on the bottom left corner which sheets, which tabs do you have on your file. There is a plus button that you can click to add a new tab. Super easy. And then you can also hide the tab. To see which tabs are hidden, you gotta click on the horizontal bars icon, and you're going to see a ribbon at the very top that has your sections. Everything that you need is either on the ribbon or on the top navigation menu. And that's it for Google Sheets for beginners. A very quick overview of what things are called in Google Sheets. If you learned something new today, don't forget to follow, share this video, and like it.